Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Slim. In this video I'll show you how to prevent unauthorized purchases. Firstly, let's go to settings. Make sure that you're logged to your account and go to users and accounts. Now, enter account, payment and subscriptions, and go to purchase settings. Switch this button to enable or disable this function. Thanks to this function, whenever you want to buy something or anyone else would like to buy something on the PlayStation Store, they will have to enter password at the checkout. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.